Imagine enjoying a meal, but something's missing, a perfect snack or sweet treat to complete the experience. The global food processing market is booming, driven by changing tastes, a demand for convenience, and a craving for healthier, innovative options. Today, we're exploring 5 profitable opportunities for MSMEs in food processing. From tapping into India's snack culture to crafting indulgent treats and beverages, let's see how you can turn your passion for food into a successful business venture. Papad, a timeless snack with global potential. Papad, a beloved crispy snack, holds a special place in Indian cuisine and is enjoyed daily by millions of households. With a growing global interest in Indian food, its market potential is vast. The papad market is highly competitive, with Lijjat Papad leading as a nationally recognized cooperative brand. Other major players like MTR, Haldiram's, and Bikanerwala also have strong market presence, while regional brands cater to local tastes with unique flavors and traditional recipes. Despite international players offering Indian food products, their presence in the papad segment remains relatively small. Key trends: steady growth. The papad market experiences an annual growth rate of 5 to 10%, driven by increasing demand for ready-to-eat snacks. Global expansion. The global rise of Indian cuisine presents strong export opportunities, especially to markets in the US, UK, and the Middle East. Health-conscious shifts. There's growing demand for healthier snack options, such as low-sodium papads, to meet the needs of health-conscious consumers. Opportunities for MSMEs. Local sourcing. Lower costs can be achieved by sourcing ingredients locally. Flavor innovation. Introducing unique or regional flavors, example, garlic, masala, can differentiate your product in the market. Export potential. Expanding into international markets presents significant growth opportunities. With minimal investment required for production and a steady demand in the market, papad presents a promising long-term business opportunity. Biscuits, a crunch above the rest. Biscuits are a beloved snack across all age groups, and the demand for premium, healthier options is rising as consumer tastes evolve. The Indian biscuit industry is dominated by major players like Parle, Britannia, ITC, and Mondelez, holding a large market share. Regional brands like Anmol and Priya Gold compete by offering affordable options with localized flavors. While the market is largely domestic, international brands like McVitie's have carved out a niche among premium consumers. Key trends: health-conscious consumers. There's increasing demand for high-fiber, low-sugar, and multigrain biscuits. Premium products, biscuits made with quality ingredients and unique flavors are gaining popularity. Convenience packs, single-serve, on-the-go packaging caters to busy lifestyles. Opportunities for MSMEs. Health-conscious products. Introducing gluten-free, organic, or sugar-free biscuits can attract health-focused consumers. Regional flavors. Offering biscuits with flavors that cater to local preferences can help tap into diverse markets. Direct sales. Online platforms enable MSMEs to reach a wider audience, reducing dependency on traditional retail channels. The biscuit market holds significant growth potential, especially for MSMEs that focus on innovation and healthier options. Toffee and candy, sweet treats with big returns. The candy market is expanding rapidly, fueled by flavor innovations, packaging advancements, and a shift towards healthier options like sugar-free and natural ingredient-based sweets. India's confectionery sector is led by global and national brands such as Perfetti Van Melle, Nestle, Mars Wrigley, and Lotte, which hold a significant share. Smaller regional manufacturers also thrive by producing traditional or locally preferred sweets, creating strong competition in certain areas. International brands dominate the premium and impulse buy segments. Key trends: premiumization. There's a growing demand for high-quality, artisanal candies. Health-conscious treats. sugar-free and functional candies are becoming more popular. Impulse purchases. Candies are frequently bought impulsively, particularly during festivals. Opportunities for MSMEs. Flavor innovation. Experimenting with new and exotic flavors can attract adventurous consumers. Customization. Personalized candies, especially during festivals, can cater to niche markets. Local ingredients. Using regional ingredients can help create a unique product. With steady demand and high margins for premium and customized options, the candy market offers significant opportunities for MSMEs. Potato chips, a market that keeps on crunching. Potato chips are a popular snack with growing demand. Innovations in flavors and healthier alternatives provide opportunities for MSMEs to enter this competitive market. The potato chip segment is primarily dominated by PepsiCo, Lay's, Kurkure, ITC, Bingo, and Haldirams, which have strong urban and rural market presence. Regional brands offer unique flavors and textures, contributing to the competitive landscape, while PepsiCo remains the dominant global player, capitalizing on its distribution network. Key trends. Flavor innovation. Regional and fusion flavors are becoming increasingly popular. Healthier alternatives. Consumers are leaning towards baked chips and vegetable-based options. Sustainable packaging. Eco-friendly packaging is influencing consumer choices. Opportunities for MSMEs. Healthier options. Offering baked or organic chips can attract health-conscious consumers. Regional flavors. Introducing local flavors can help differentiate your brand. Direct marketing. Online sales platforms allow MSMEs to expand their reach. With steady growth fueled by flavor innovation and demand for healthier alternatives, the potato chips market offers a lucrative opportunity for MSMEs. Soft drinks. Quenching thirst with healthier choices. The Indian soft drink market is diverse, with health-conscious consumers increasingly seeking low-sugar, organic, and functional drinks. MSMEs can capitalize on these trends by introducing innovative beverages. The industry is dominated by multinational giants like Coca-Cola and PepsiCo, as well as strong domestic players such as Parle Agro and Dabur, have cultivated loyal customer bases by catering to local preferences. Despite global brands' dominance, regional competitors continue to thrive in niche markets. Key trends. Health-conscious shifts. Low sugar and functional drinks are in high demand. Premium products. Consumers are willing to pay a premium for drinks made with unique flavors and natural ingredients. Sustainability. Eco-friendly packaging is crucial to attract environmentally conscious consumers. Opportunities for MSMEs. Natural ingredients. Using locally sourced, natural ingredients can appeal to health-conscious consumers. Regional flavors. Crafting beverages that reflect local tastes can attract specific markets. Sustainable packaging. Adopting eco-friendly packaging can help. MSMEs stand out. With growing demand for healthier drinks and sustainable packaging, the soft drink market offers significant opportunities for MSMEs. Conclusion. Seize the opportunity. The food processing industry holds immense potential for MSMEs, offering a wealth of opportunities across snacks, beverages, and sweets. By embracing innovation, staying attuned to evolving consumer demands, and tapping into health-conscious trends, MSMEs can thrive in one of India's fastest-growing sectors. With the sector experiencing rapid growth, now is the ideal time to capitalize on emerging opportunities. Don't miss out. Seize the chance to establish a successful, profitable business in this dynamic industry. Want to start your business? Then let NPCS assist you. With over 30+ years of experience, NPCS provides expert support for your business, including feasibility studies, market research, equipment specifications, financial analysis, and custom reports. For more details, contact us through the phone number or email in the description. And don't forget to subscribe for more updates.